In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily copy Facebook profile link. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, open up Facebook app, and then if you would like to copy your Facebook profile link, tap right here to go to your Facebook profile page, and then tap right here at three dots, and then scroll down until you find your profile link. Here is the URL, and we can copy it to the clipboard by tapping at that button. It says profile link copied. After that, we can share this link via some social media platform or some messenger, or we can just go to Notes app and then we can paste and save the link here. If you would like to copy someone's profile link, first of all, you need to go to that user's Facebook profile page, and then in the same way tap at three dots and then tap at copy link to copy that particular URL to the clipboard. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.